welcome to the class. Yesterday I have explained you about the place values with the periods. Yes, yesterday I have explained you up to lakh. Yes, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. These are the 6 places, and the 6 places were divided under periods. That is ones, thousands and lakhs. 3 periods. Yes. Now today we are going to learn what is the difference between face value and place value. Okay, face value. Yes, face value means it is the actual value. That means there is no change of the number or the digit. Okay, so there is no change of the digit is called as the face value. Let us take one example. Okay, what is this number? Read out the number. 5,23,142. Okay, so here I am going to find the face value of 1. What is the face value of 1? Now here tell me what are the places first? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Yes. 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. But what I told you, face value doesn't change. Okay. So it is the same digit itself. That means face value of 1 will be 1. Okay. Now same way we will see one more. Face value of suppose I am taking 3. So face value of 3 will be 3. Now same way face value of 5. So face value of 5 is 5. Is it clear? Now coming to the place value. Place value means the digit in which position or which place it is. Okay, the digit. Okay, place value is the digit in which position or the place it is. Let us take one sum and see. 5,14,236. I have taken one number 5,14,236. Yes. Now tell me the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Yes. Now see here, in ones place what we have? 6. Yes. So the place value of 6. Suppose if I want to find place value of 6. Okay. Place value of 6 means 6 is in which place? Which place 6 is in? Ones place. That means the digit. What is the digit? 6 is multiplied with the place. What place it is? Ones place. So you will write 1. So 6 ones are 6. Is it clear? Same way we will do the next one. Place value of 3. Okay. So place value of 3. What is the digit? Digit is 3. 3 multiplied with the place. In which place it is? Tens place. So 10, you write 3 multiplied by 10. So 3 tens are 30. So place value of 3 is 30. Now same way place value of 2. Okay. So tell me how to do. 2 multiplied with which place? Hundreds place. So 2 into 100, 200. Now same way place value of 4. Okay. So 4 multiplied with what place? 1000. So 4 into 1000 is 4,000. Now same way next one. Place value of 1. Now 1 is in which place? 10,000. So write 10,000 So 1 into 10,000 is 10,000. Now last, find the place value of 5. So 5 is in which place? Lakh. So 5 is multiplied with lakh place. So 5 into lakh, 5 lakh. Okay children, understood?
Hence you can see one more example of place values up to lakhs. And one more example given on the slide. You can go through how to write the place values in the words and figures. You can see one more example of place value and face value of 5. The difference between both of them.
Yes children, you have learned now how to write the place values and face values, and I have shown you the slides of examples for the place value and face value. Yes, you have gone through, no? Okay. Now we will take some from page number 15, EBIT. I am going to do the sums. See here, find the sum of the place value of 6 in each. Okay. So here they asked you, before that we have seen how to write the place value of the digit. Yes. Now they are asking here sum of the place value of 6. Okay. So I have taken two sums from that bit. The first sum is, see here, what is this number? 6006. Okay. Now I am going to use the table. Okay. Because this is up to 1000, so I am going to arrange the table up to 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now arrange the number under the places. Okay. Now you can see here the 6 is in two places. Okay. Where it is? First it is in ones place and next one it is in the thousands place. First find out the place values of both the 6. So write first place value of 6. First 6 I am taking. Okay. Where it is in the ones place. That means 6 ones are 6. Okay. So the place value of first 6 is 6. Now take the next one, place value of 6. One more 6. Okay, that 6 is in which place? 1000. So 6 is multiplied with 1000. 6 into 1000, 6000. Okay, now we got both the place values. Now these two place values, you are going to find the sum. Sum means what? We need to add. So I am going to do it over here. These two addition. Okay. First I am taking the bigger one, that is 6000. I am going to add with 6. Okay. Now add both of them. 6 plus 0, 6. Bring down 0, bring down 0, bring down 6. So what is the value? 6006. Therefore, the place value of, therefore the sum of the place value of 6 in 6000, 6 is 6006 only. Okay, we have added, no, then we got the answer as 6006. So the answer is 6006. Is it clear? Now same way we will try with the next number. Okay, arrange this number in the place value table. Okay, now write 6, 9, 6, 9, 6. So start with ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. Okay, now here the 6 is in 3 places. Okay, start from first place value of first 6. That is in ones place. So 6 into 1, 6. Next place value of 6. In the next place it is in hundreds place. So 6 is multiplied with 100. So it is 600. Next one, place value of 6. 6 is in another 6 is in 10,000 place. So 6 is multiplied with 10,000. So 6 into 10,000 is 60,000. So there we have to find the sum of these places. Okay. So now add all the three places. 60,000 plus 600 plus 6. Now add all that. 6, 0, 6, 0, 6. So what we got here? 60,606. Therefore, the sum of the place value of 69,696 is 60,606. Is it clear, children? Understood? The sum of the place values, no? Now, see the next bit. Find the difference of the place value of 8 in each of the following. Okay, now here you are going to find the difference. Difference means what? We need to subtract. Okay, so difference is nothing but the answer of subtraction. Okay, now same way, first you draw the place value table, arrange the number. Okay, I am arranging the number in the place value table. Start with the ones place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So here we have up to lakh, that is 3,48,008 is a number. Now we have to find the difference of the 8, okay, place values of 8. So tell me first what I should write. Place value of 8. So first 8 is in the place of 1. So 8 into 1 is 8. Same way next, place value of 8. So one more 8 is in the thousands place. So 8 into 1000, 8,000. Yes. Now we need to find the difference. Difference means we need to subtract. So from subtraction, how we can do? We have to take the bigger number first. Yes. That means 8,000 I should write first. So 8,000. From 8,000 I should subtract 8. Okay. Now do subtraction. From 0 we can subtract 8? No. So I should borrow from 0? No. I should borrow from 8. So I am taking 1. So that means it becomes 7. So here 10. So it is 9. Again borrow 10, 9. So now that this becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down 9, bring down 9 and bring down 7. That means the difference of the place value of both the 8 is 7,992. Therefore, the difference of the place value of 8 is 7,992. Understood, children? Same way we will try the next one. Draw the place value table. 9, 8, 8, 9, 2. Now write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Yes? Now tell me place value of first 8. 8 is in hundreds place. So 8 into 100, 800. Now next one, place value of 8. 8 is in thousand place, so 8 into 1000, 8000. Now same way, subtract both of them. So first write 8000, then write 800. Yes, now both of them subtracted. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. From 0 we can subtract 8? No. Follow. So this becomes 7 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now bring down 7. So it is 7200. Therefore, the difference of the place value of 8 is 7000. The difference of place value of 8 in 98,892 is 7200. We have subtracted both the place values, so we got the answer as 7200. Is it clear, children? Understood? So what I have explained, okay, today's concept, what I have explained, you can go through from page number, you can go through what I have explained. It is